water pouring into the cone slowly. Is there another relationship? People are figuring it out. Is there another, and there is there another relationship between V, R, and H besides just the formula for that? Eli, what do you got?
R to H is 1/2.
Yes, good. Yes, because, and it seemed it was not just for nothing that they told me the dimensions of the cone. The dimensions of the cone determine that the water filling the cone is going to fill it up in such a way that the cone of water is similar to the cone of tank. Are you with me?
Yeah.
And so 2 is to 4 as R is to H. So in fact, I'll just write that. 2 is to 4 as R is to H. And that gives me yet another relationship between R and H. All right, which variable should I solve for? Which variable do I want to get rid of? R. I want to get rid of R, right?
Yeah.
Because my final answer, I'm interested in dH dt. Okay, so what is R? R is H over 2. R is H over 2. And since R is H over 2, prior to differentiating, I can plug in H over 2 for R. Do you guys see where this is going?
Yeah.
And make this much simpler. So this is pi over 3 times H over 2 H. Cool. What are you doing? Alright, so now I have this formula. You got what I got? And now that I have it down to just 2 variables, now differentiate both sides with respect to T. Brittany got this. That's a yes. I got that, cool. And thus, I always solve for dH dt, even though like not totally necessary, but this is 4 dV dt over pi h squared. Someone back me up there.
Yeah.
Okay, and now, of course, I know what dV dt is, it's just 100. So dH dt is actually just 400 over pi h squared. And that's a formula which will just give me the height in terms of h. And so now finally it's time to answer the particular question which was asked, which is what is dH dt at h equals 3? And the answer is 400 over 9 pi. And the units? Guess it's like meters per minute. Meters per minute. Alright, that was like barely acceptable lesson on this topic, but hopefully that kind of made some sort of sense. Alright, we're gonna have a test. Which we could have had as long as like a week ago. It's gonna be on differentiation. Pretty much just through the chain rule. So not what we're learning, not what we learned today, not even, I don't even think I'm going to put like x to the x stuff on there. Or logarithmic differentiation. But there's going to be a test. It's going to be Thursday. Because then like after the end of this week, believe it or not, we have Friday. I see you guys Friday?
Yeah.
No. Really?
Yeah.
So it goes even odd this week? Okay.
Yes.
So be it. Wait, so,
No, they switch even. Like
are you sure? How sure are you about this?
check it.
100% sure. I
Yeah.
checked the website yesterday. No, but I
Okay,
checked
okay,
the
good. Alright, so in that case, I see you guys Friday. So Friday we'll have a test. You should come to the review session tomorrow. Oh, turn this thing off. Should come to the review